My name is J. Rajesh and my guide teacher name is Babili Buchreddy sir. My headmaster name is K. Karnakar Reddy sir and my school name is ZPHS Chandur. We know that in plane figures, if area of base is different and have equal height, the volume is directly proportional to its base area. So here the discussion of area of plane figures is the discussion of volume.
Okay.
First of all, we have to notice that changes in area of different polygons of equal perimeter, and also notice that different polygons of same shape taken order, they don't have any gaps in between them. In that, notice the different polygons are of equal perimeter. So first we take three sides of shape, that is triangle, which perimeter is 60 centimeters. By substituting the perimeter, we get area 173.2 square centimeters. And the second, we take four sides of shape, that is square, which perimeter is 60 centimeters. And by substituting, we get area is 225 centimeters square. And third, we take five sides of shape, which perimeter is 60 centimeters, and the area is 252 square centimeters square. And we take six sides of shape, which perimeter is 60 centimeters, and by substituting we get area 259.8 centimeters square. And the fifth, we take infinity sides, that is circle, which perimeter is 60 centimeters. By substituting we get area is 286.36 centimeters square. From these figures we observe that the area of different polygons are gradually increasing along with the sides with same perimeter. In these figures, the maximum area of shape is circle with same perimeter. In a plane, if we put lot of circles close to one another, then the gaps will happen between them. Even circles have maximum area with same perimeter. Bees does not choose the circular shape because they don't want to waste wax. Only three types of polygons are of without any gaps: regular hexagon, and second equilateral triangle, and third square. Only regular hexagon has maximum area of shape with no gaps with same perimeter. That's why honeybee choose to make regular hexagon shape rooms to store more honey and use of wax. Now we take trigonal prism, square prism and hexagonal prism. Now we compare these prisms practically. Now we do practically. Some amount of wax was going wastage, so this was lesser than hexagonal prism. Some amount of wax was wastage in the square prism. Now we pour this wax in trigonal prism. In trigonal prism also less amount of wax was wastage. So the higher area of polygons is hexagonal prism with same perimeter. Volume of prism is directly proportional to its base area. So hexagonal prism have store more honey. So honeybees choose the hexagonal prism to store more honey. So honeybees are the great mathematicians. Thanks for this opportunity.